Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 1998 Ford Mustang. The engine coolant reservoir is located right in the front of the engine bay. The level markers are visible on the side of the reservoir, and you won't have to make a long reach when removing the cap to add fluid. The fog light has simple access, as you only need to reach behind the front bumper in order to reach the bulb. No tools nor parts removals will be required to change it. The spare tire and jack kit are packaged together beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick access, easy removal, and a simple setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The taillights have rather tedious access, as you'll first need to disengage some bolts in the trunk before you can take out the rear bulb housing and reach the bulbs. The front turn signal and parking light will also require a housing removal in order to perform a bulb change. This will require tools and can end up being rather time-consuming. You will also need tools to disengage the engine air filter housing in order to access the filter. This won't allow for quick filter changes. Overall, despite a handful of complications, the 1998 Ford Mustang is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain that would be a good choice for the new or inexperienced vehicle owner.